Okay, so the first thing we're going to do to this boat right here is we're going to repair the engine. Like I said, it has right now it has a stuck valve. So either the valve's bent, it smacked the head of the engine, the piston of the engine, or hopefully the piston is a-okay and we just have to rebuild the head. But we also have to cut this trailer down because right now I have to turn it sideways to fit in the garage. Bad day. We're gonna have to polish this thing up. It's a gel coat. My wife has been really looking on how to do that. And then the electrical system for this boat, there's nothing to it. So you have a ballast pump, which we're gonna have to ensure the ballast pump works. Don't want to sink. The navigation lights work. The radio doesn't work. Gotta fix that. And the gauges look to be working. So all in all, a little bit of electrical work, a little bit of trailer modifications, repair the engine. Also have to go with the stern drive, and right now the exhaust that goes out the stern drive, that looks like it needs to be replaced. And while I take the stern drive off, I'm going to go ahead and check that pilot bearing in there, make sure that's all good. Going to be a lot of fun. But we're picking up little odds and ends to also maintain the boat, and we'll go over them as well. So y'all stay tuned, and if you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. Looks like this down there. And if you're looking for investment opportunities, I have links for Acorn down below. Inexpensive way to start investing. Gives you $5, gives me $5 if you use the link below. And also health and wellness. Have good links for health and wellness down below. So y'all guys take care.